MacBook Air Colors and see if I can snag an amazing deal with $150 off before Prime Day hits. In today's video, we'll be discussing the exciting news about discounts on the 2025 MacBook Air and why this is the perfect time to upgrade your laptop. The 2025 MacBook Air is looking like a fantastic option for anyone in the market for a new laptop. Many people are unsure whether now is the right time to purchase a new MacBook Air, especially with sales events like Prime Day approaching. This uncertainty often leads to missed opportunities, but not today. The discounts are here, and it's the perfect time to make your move. If you're due for an upgrade, you'll want to stick around. The 2025 MacBook Air comes in a variety of stunning colors, each offering a unique style to match your personal taste. From sleek and professional to bold and vibrant, there's a color to suit everyone. These colors aren't just for show. They reflect the quality and attention to detail that Apple is known for. Whether you're using your MacBook Air for work, study, or play, there's a color that will make it stand out. We'll explore the different colors available for the 2025 MacBook Air, highlight their features, and discuss the benefits of buying during this promotional period. The colors available for the 2025 MacBook Air include Space Gray, Starlight, and a new vibrant blue option that's sure to turn heads. Each color is crafted with precision and care, ensuring that your MacBook Air not only performs exceptionally, but also looks amazing. The $150 discount applies across all colors, giving you the freedom to choose your favorite without breaking the bank. The big reveal: how you can take advantage of this $150 discount and the limited time nature of this offer ahead of Prime Day. To get your $150 discount, simply use the provided promo code at checkout on Apple's website or through authorized resellers. This offer is exclusively available for a short period, making it a time-sensitive opportunity. Don't miss out on this incredible deal. Mark your calendars and get ready to upgrade. To recap, we've discussed the fantastic $150 discount on the 2025 MacBook Air and why you shouldn't miss out on this opportunity. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment on which MacBook Air color you would choose.